Hello everyone. So I have observed that the third numerical problem related to the Bode plot of today's class is not recorded properly. Okay, so I am repeating the third problem, which is I'm reading out the problem statement that a unit step input is applied to a unity feedback control system having open loop transfer function, that is g of s is equal to k upon s into 1 plus s into t. So we have to determine the value of k and t to have the MP, that is the maximum peak value, is equal to 20%, and resonant frequency, that is omega of r, is equal to 6 radian per second. Okay, full stop. Then calculate the resonant peak m of r. So this is the problem statement. We have to define the value of k and t. Okay, so I am writing this, the problem figure first, that is g of s is equal to k upon s into 1 plus s into t. This is the problem. Okay, what we have to define? We have to define the value of k and t for maximum peak value having 20%. Also we know the value of resonant frequency, that is omega of r is equal to 6 radian per second. Okay, with respect to this we need to calculate the value of mr, or the value of resonant peak. Okay, now so g of s, this is the open loop transfer function of the system is given. Okay, g of s is equal to k upon s into k upon s into 1 plus s into t. Now the overall transfer function will become that is c of s upon r of s is equal to g of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s, unity feedback system. So the value of h of s is equal to 1. Now if we put the value of g of s in this expression, then c of s upon r of s will become c of s into c of s upon r of s will become, that is k upon t, k divided by t upon s square plus 1 by t into s plus k upon t. Okay, after putting the value of g of s in this expression, we got this type of expression. Okay, now comparing this equation with the standard equation. So just mark this one as equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So compare equation number 2 with omega n square divided by s square plus 2 zeta omega n into s plus omega n square. Okay. So if we are going to compare this equation number 2 with this standard equation, then from this we can clearly observe that 2 zeta omega n is equal to 1 upon t, 2 zeta omega n is equal to 1 upon t, and omega n of square is equal to k by t, or omega n is equal to root of k by t. Okay, so we got this type of expression. Similarly, if we replace the value of omega n in this equation, so we got the value of zeta, that is equal to 1 by 2 root of k into t. So this is the value of zeta and this is the value of omega n. Now for calculating all the values, almost we have all the parameters over here, zeta, omega n, omega r. We got all the expression. Now first thing is that we need to calculate the value of k and t for 20%. So for the maximum peak is equal to 20%. So write down the expression of mp, that is equal to m of p is equal to e to the power minus pi into zeta divided by root of 1 minus zeta square. Pi into zeta divided by 1 minus zeta square. Okay. Now the value of mp is given as 20%. So it is 0.2 is equal to e to the power minus pi into zeta divided by root of 1 minus zeta square. Okay. So from this expression we can calculate the value of zeta, that is zeta is equal to 0.45. We got the value of zeta is equal to 0.45. Okay. As we got the value of zeta is equal to 45, from this expression we can calculate the value of omega n. So we know the expression of omega r, or the resonant frequency, that is equal to omega n root of 1 minus 2 zeta square, 1 minus 2 into zeta square. So omega, the value of omega r, we know that is equal to 6, or this is given, that is 6 radian per second. So omega of n is equal to 6 divided by root of 1 minus 2 into 0.45 whole square. Okay. As we simplified this expression, then we got the omega n value is equal to 7.82 radian per second. 7.82 radian per second. We got this type of omega n value. Okay. Now, so from the previous expression, we know that the value of omega n square is equal to t k upon t. Okay. So k upon t, we got this expression. So this thing can be written as k upon t is equal to 7.82 whole square. We are considering this is equation number 3. Okay. Also the value of zeta, that is 1 by 2 root kt is equal to 0.45. So 1 by 2 into root of k into t, that is equal to 0.45. This is we are considering as equation number 4. Okay. Now solving these two above equation by solving equation 3 and 4, we get, if we solve these two equations, 3 and 4, then we get the value of k and t. So value of k we got, that is 8.67. K is equal to 8.67 and t is equal to 0.14. T is equal to 0.14. We got this type of value. Okay. So first problem is solved. We have already defined the value of k and t for 20% m of p. Now we need to define the value of the MR, or the resonant peak. Resonant peak, it is nothing but the maximum value of the magnitude. It is the resonant peak, and the frequency at which the maximum value of magnitude will occur is known as the resonant frequency. So in the earlier class we have discussed about the resonant peak, and we know the expression of resonant peak, MR is equal to 1 by 2 zeta into root of 1 minus zeta square. 1 minus zeta square. Now if we put the value of zeta in this expression, so we got m of r is equal to 1 by 2 into 0.45 into root of 1 minus 0.45 whole square. So finally we got the value of MR or resonant P, that is equal to 1.24. Okay. So this is the solution for your today's third problem, which is having some issues with the recording. Okay. So thank you. Next class will be tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.